There we go. First fish of the day. On the red-eye shad. Feels like a good one too. Oh yeah. Decent one. Probably a 2-pounder or so. 2.5. There we go. Yeah, it's probably 2.5 pounds. Maybe not quite that big, but yeah. Yeah, he's about 2 pounds. Biggest one from this pond so far this year. I'm on that red-eye shad. Bluegill color. Alright, here he goes. Probably a nice 16-incher or so. About a 2-pounder. And back in the water. Oh, there we go. There's a fish. Good one too. On the chatterbait. First fish of the day, finally. There we go. Nice chunky one. He's not huge, but nice chunk. Water level's actually up a little bit in this pond for once. Not the way it used to be, but got that nice chunk on the chatterbait. Nice early, I guess you can call it early spring, ice out bass. Whew. Been here about an hour. That was my first fish. Alright. Here he goes. Nice, probably 2-pounder, 16-incher or so. Get him back in the water. There we go. There's a fish on the chatterbait. Just a little guy, but whew, right on the edge of these weeds here. First fish from this pond today. Here he goes. There we go. There we go. Third one from this pond today. On the chatterbait. Another one about the same size. They're really all about this size in this pond. A couple nice ones though. But number 3 on the chatterbait. Here he goes. There we go. Number 4 from this pond, hitting the same spot as the last one. About the same size. About a pound. Here he goes. Got him. That's a good one. A better one, I think. A little bigger. Oh yeah. He's not really much bigger. About the same size. Felt bigger though. Another pounder or so. Here he goes. There we go. That's a better one. Better fish on the chatterbait right here. They're all stacked right here. Oh, there we go. Yeah. Biggest one out of this pond so far. Actually might be my biggest one of the day. Might be bigger than that when I got at the last pond. But good fish. It's skinnier than that last one though. It's probably right around 2 pounds. Maybe 1 3/4 pounds or so. Right, here he goes, about a 2-pounder. Get him back in the water. Not a really good place to release him over here. Throw him over here. There he goes. Another one. Another fish. Another decent one. And they're all stacked right over here against this. There we go. A little smaller than the last one, but bigger than those first few I was getting. About 1.5 pounds or so. 14, 15 incher.